Here in this question it is given that we can't use Bohr model directly to calculate the energy levels of an atom with many electrons. The reason for this is, now in order to understand why we can't use Bohr model to calculate the energy levels of a multi-electron system, so what Bohr had postulated, that electron is revolving around the nucleus in circular orbit, and this is a single electron system. So when there is only one electron and there is a nucleus, so there is one force, that is the electrostatic force. That force is acting as the centripetal force for this electron. Due to this centripetal force, this electron is revolving in this circular path, and this circular path is called the stationary state by the Bohr. Now what will happen if we have more than one electron in an atom, and if we want to apply Bohr theory to multi-electron system? The problem arises is like that. Suppose we have this one more electron in another stationary state. Now what this electron will do, this electron will apply some force on this electron, and say this force is acting by the nucleus on this electron. Now the resultant force that will act on the electron will be somewhat in this direction. So if the resultant force is acting on the electron, on this electron, is in this direction now, then this electron will not revolve in the circular path around the nucleus. It will get deviated from this path. Similarly, this will happen to this electron also. Now this electron will repel this electron, this nucleus is attracting it in this direction, and the resultant will be somewhere here. So none of the electron will move in the circular orbit as postulated by the Bohr in order to calculate the energy of the electron corresponding to a orbit. So in conclusion, you can say that none of the electron will move in the circular path, because there is a force that is attracting it towards the center will not be there. So from this information we can say that this option A is the corresponding option, that we can't apply Bohr model to multi-electron system because of electrons not being subject to a central force. They will not be in circular paths.